Hello everyone, my name is Tuyishimire Julienne. I'm going to present project having a title called House Rent Management and Monitoring System. Is a web application designed to process renting of houses to streamline the process of renting houses while providing any innovative monitoring features for landlords. In the traditional houses renting system, tenant faces several challenges and inconveniences. The process of finding a suitable rental houses, communication with landlords, and handling rent-related tasks is often manual and paper-based, leading to various issues like limited property information and inefficient communication and lack of transparency. Nowadays, this project comes with innovation where this system has solution to address the shortcoming of the traditional houses renting system, like comprehensive property listing, online rent request, automated notification, and user-friendly dashboard. So in this system, email notification plays a crucial role in keeping users informed and engaged with the platform's features, ultimately contributing to more efficient and transparent rental process. Let me my teammate continue to show you how the system can work.
By names of Elite user, I'm going to continue by logging in as landlord. But firstly, I have to create account as landlord. You click on create account. Here you put first name, and here you put your last name. Here you put your email where you receive the confirmation message and the people who are applying for houses. Here I put the username and password. Here I put the gender. Here I put your address. City where you are located. Here you put your mobile number. And after all, you have to agree the terms and conditions, then submit form. And you see the pop-up window saying you have registered successfully. Then after you log in, you put the username and password. Then login. Then you see pop-up window saying login successful. After you see houses where you see the houses I have posted for rent and my monthly earning and the current tenant I have and the pending rent request from the people who are requesting houses. Then I'm going to add house. Click here and add the house. Then here you put house name, Giza. Here you put category, if it's an apartment or annex. Put department. Then here you put the number of bedrooms available. Here you put the still where your house is located. So this is apartment. Here you put the price for month. Maybe let's put 50,000. I put the address, like Kabarore, for example, Kabeza. Here you put the description about your house. For example, it has all needs. Here you choose profile of your house. Here you choose and open. Then you agree terms and conditions. Then submit form. Yeah, the house is a house added successful. Then you see I have added one house. I'm going to add second house. Add the house name. Bureau. Category. Annex. Number of bedroom. City. Chibuya. Price maybe 20,000. Address Gishra Chinia. Here I put description. This house is not expensive. Here you choose profile. Here you choose, then agree and submit form. Here is this kind of house is added. Here is I have two houses. I'm going to continue with showing you house details, where you can edit or delete house. I'm going to edit this house. I'm going to update to increase price per month. Put 60,000. Then submit. The house is updated. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can delete one house. For example, I'm going to delete Ubgiza. Click on delete, then confirm. Then back, see how one house is deleted. I have to use one house. Yeah. Let me continue. Let my teammate continue. But let me first log out and let my colleague continue with creating account as
Thank you. I am Evariste Niyizigihe. I'm going to log in as a tenant, someone who is looking for a house for rent. I come here to tenant login. It is the first time I'm coming to the system, I firstly create an account. I enter my names. And email, username, password. This is my gender, male, and address, city, for example, Kinoni, and my mobile number. Then I have to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Then submit the registration. As you see, the registration is successful. Then I am redirected to the login page. I enter my username and password. I am successfully logged in. Then I am now on the user tenant dashboard. I can see all available houses for rent. There is only one house which is available for rent. To mean one landlord have posted one house for rent. Here on my dashboard, here you can see pending request. Pending request is the number of rent requests I have sent to the landlord. And here is notifications about rent request. This table displays all available houses for rent. I can view house information, house name, category, bedrooms, and if I feel comfortable with this house, I can request a landlord for rent. I can view the image of this house, and I can also view information about the owner of this house. I can see that the landlord is called Elijah, and his contact information. If I come to connect to the services, I can send him an email or call him. I can also search for house. If I wanted to show houses from somewhere, for example, houses from Kigali or from Karongi, I can come here and search by city. If I search by city, as there is only one house which is located to Kibuye, if I search Kibuye, I will see the same house. If I have another cities like Kigali, I can search, but there is no house from Kigali as the landlord has posted only one house from Kibuye. Yes, which is this one. I can be comfortable with this house and feel to rent it. If I come here it means you are going to send the rent request. You have to confirm that you have agreed to the landlord's requirements and wanted to book this house. If you confirm, the rent request is sent successfully. Then okay. Now on the pending request, there is one pending request which I made by this moment. Let my colleague continue with landlord account. I log out from my account and the landlord continue with his account.
Thank you. I'm going to check if there is tenant who has applied for rent. First I log in, the name and password. As login successful. You see, I have one pending rent request where I can approve or reject his or her request. I see tenant names, Evariste. I can view the house he is applying for. Yeah. Then I go back and I'm going to approve that I received his request for rent. I approve. Then I confirm. Here at the top I'm saying that I confirm that I'm renting this house to Everest in EasyJ. Then okay. Then after approving his request, here it's loading. He will get a message notifying him that he is approved for house. Then you see my pending rent request. There is a zero because I have already rented the house, and you see because I have one current tenant. I have monthly earning 20,000 per month for one, because I have one house. Then log out.
Let's come back on the tenant dashboard to see if the landlord have approved or rejected his rent request. I come on tenant login and log into my account. See, that pending request is no longer available because the landlord have approved my request, and there is no available houses because that one house which was available, I have booked it, and now there is no available house for rent. I can check the notifications. I have a new notification from my account. If I open notification, I see that the rent request was approved on this date and time. To mean I am now a tenant of that landlord. I can also come on my email to check if the message has come. As you see, there is a message from the system informing me that, dear Evariste, I am pleased to inform you that your house rent request has been approved. Your tenant has begun now. We look forward to welcoming you as. Yes, there is a confirmation email telling me that my rent request has been approved on email. If I come back on my dashboard, I can come here on the utilities and see rented houses. Here I am showing the houses I have rented. Now I am renting this house from this date. Yes. Another, I can change my profile by editing names or other information about my account. Yes, for example, let me change the address to Karongi and city to Kibuye and confirm. Then my profile has been updated successfully. If I come back, I can see that my profile has been updated. Okay, let my colleague come back to the landlord account and show another functionalities.
Let me continue with showing you how I can vacate my tenant while he or she is not paying well, or we have some agreement. I put username and password. Yeah. You came on utilities. You see the rented houses You have. Yeah, you have one house rented. Two. And I'm going to vacate this house. I'm going to vacate this house from this client because he or she is not paying well. You click on vacate this house, then here I put reason why you are going to vacate him. You type, for example, you you are not paying well. Then you confirm. After confirming, he or she will get notification email notifying him that he has been vacated from this house. It's still loading. You have to wait to see if we receive the after vacating him. You see my month running is 0, current tenant is 0, and pending rent request is 0. And you see here they show us the leave date. Last tenant left on this date, and my house is still available for rent. Let me log out.
Okay, I can come back on the tenant account to see what is going on with my tenancy. If I come back, I can see that there is one available house because the landlord has vacated the house I was renting. If I come to the email to check the message about the vacancy, I'm going to check if I have received an email notification from the landlord vacating the house I was renting. Network problems, but it is loading. Let me be explaining admin dashboard while we are waiting for the connection. Let me log out from the tenant account and log into admin account. Let me check for email. Yes, the email has come. Dear Everett, this is to inform you that your landlord TZL has vacated the house you were renting. Reason, you are not paying well. Then I am informed about the reason why your landlord has vacated the house I was renting. Yeah, I can go back to the admin login and log into admin account. Admin is someone who is in control of the system. On the admin dashboard, I can see all available houses or landlord has posted, registered landlord and registered tenant. If I come here, I can see the list of all landlords who have registered in this system with their information. I can see all tenants and I can see all houses with their details in the system. and you can log out from account. Thank you for watching this video. This is the system I have developed using Java web application and hosted it on with Tomcat. We are using NetBeans as text editor and Tomcat as a web server. Thank you.